Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 97 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 by our good old friends at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these and build along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this 1/6 scale Ford Mustang, folks. Let's have a quick scoop through the magazine. You got the Mercury Capri there. It says the other Mustang. Weird looking car, wasn't it, folks? There's a T-top version there, black and gold. Today's parts, we got the oil pan, filler tube, some various pipes and gubbins. And we're going to be joining the top and bottom sections of the engine together, folks. So we're going to need the top part of the engine brought in, okay? Step-by-step instructions. The tricky part is going to be putting these DS19 screws in through this little rectangle. That's going to be tricky, but we'll get there. I think I'll find a way of doing that. Various fuel lines, etc. to go in. And then this is what we're going to end up with today, folks. You've then got the folder Thunderbird from a sports car to luxury coupe. Last of the birds there. Elegant one there. Look at that. Beautiful. And then, yeah, Thunderbird's 5th generation down the bottom there. So that's the magazine sorted. So we're going to scoot back, locate all our parts and get this all laid out so we could start a bit of assembly, folks, okay? Right, so we're going to want this and we want the black one. So let's get that in place. Like so. It just presses literally onto the end, and then this is going to go in the front section of the top of the engine, just there. Okay, so we'll grab that and put that in and locate that. Goes in somewhere around there like that, and it will drop into place. Just keep rotating it, and basically what will happen is this little key will drop in just into the right spot. So around about 9 o'clock. You then want a PS02 screw. We'll grab one of those, pop a bit of oil on, let it run down the thread, and then we'll fire a screw in there to retain that in place, like that. Pop. Done. Next up, we want 97D, which is this one. And that's going in. Right in there like so. Give that a jiggle. And again, that's going to be retained with a PS2 screw. So we'll grab that. Whop a little bit of oil in this. And then we'll grab that and we'll locate that. Just try and hold that in place with my finger. Just like so. And then that will be retained in place with the screw. So that's that done. We then want 97E, which is this piece. And that's going to press just in the top here. Like so. Okay. We're then going to flip this up and start joining this onto the engine, okay? So you're going to have 4 DS19 screws going on the right-hand side, apparently. That's that one. By powers of deduction. Let's grab another. Now we can get the big screwdriver on there in a moment. So that's them 4 ends. A pair of DS19s going right down in here to join this cylinder head on. So we want it that way round, like that. And we want, I think we're going to need my screw grabber. It might work. I'm hoping it does. Let's just do a test fit. See whether that's got clearance to come through and in. Yes, it has there and it has there. So I'm hoping my little grabby can help me out there. So we want that in. And we are going right down through into here, okay? I've got to try and do it where I can actually see it. Because at the moment, I can't. Right, we try again. Get in. Do some of that. Alright. So we totally ignored that. And we will come in and pop these screws back. Like so. Grabbing these two. Like that. Like that. That is the engine done. Right, so that's that bit sorted. We're happy with that. We then want our oil pan to go on underneath. Let's grab you, post, and then we want a DS19 screw to go in the bottom of that, which is going in there. We can now bring our engine back up and start fitting in all our different pipes. Alright, so we want this pipe is going that way round and it's going on these pins. And that's coming all the way around, like so. and he's coming round here somewhere, all the way down into this pin here. So we need to bring that back out, come all the way down there like so. And it's coming round here. Like that. And it's going on there, allegedly. Pop you on that pin, just like that. Tight fit. There you go. Knew you'd comply. And then you come all the way up there then, like so. Go behind here and just on the front of that rail. Like that. Here's what you want. Cool. So that's that pipe on now. I'm happy with that. And then we want this pipe on the front. It goes on this peg here somewhere in there. Okay. Up underneath there, like so, and down on there, just like so. And that's that one. And according to that, that is this engine sorted, folks. So we're going to leave that there today and call that an issue. So that's issue 97 done. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, head over to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Bop. And you too can be building this beautiful 1/6 scale partwork. Also, to help me out, give little Fester a click in the corner there. Subscribe to the channel. Helps me grow. Whilst you're there, give the bell a ring. Select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. Thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.